In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bulleted list in Microsoft Word, a handy tool that can help you organize information clearly and efficiently. Whether you're drafting a simple to-do list, organizing your thoughts, or preparing a detailed document for work or school, knowing how to utilize bullet points can enhance readability and structure. Let's dive in and explore this feature step by step. To begin, you'll want to place your cursor at the exact spot in your document where you'd like your bulleted list to start. If you're converting existing text into a list, you should first select the lines you want to convert. This approach gives you control over where and how your list formats within your document, ensuring that your content remains organized just the way you like it. Next, direct your attention to the Home tab on the ribbon. This toolbar runs across the top of your Word interface and contains a variety of options for formatting and editing. Within the Home tab, locate the Paragraph group. This section houses several formatting buttons that you use often when adjusting the layout of your text, including alignment, line spacing, and, importantly, the Bullets feature. Here, you'll see the Bullets button, which resembles a small list of dots. This button is your gateway to creating a bulleted list. Go ahead and click it. This action tells Word that you want to start a list. Now you're ready to begin typing the individual items you wish to include. Simply type your first item and press Enter. Once you hit Enter, Word will automatically generate a new bullet point for you, letting you smoothly transition to your next point without any extra steps. Continue typing your items, and each time you press Enter, a new bullet will be added automatically. This handy feature allows you to uninterruptedly add as many points as you need, maintaining a fluid writing process that keeps your ideas in order. Once you've completed your list, there might be cases where you'll want to exit the bulleted format and return to regular text. To do this, simply press Enter twice after your final list item. This action shifts your cursor to general text mode, allowing you to continue writing without the impact of the bullet point functionality. Creating bulleted lists is a basic yet fundamental skill in document editing that enhances clarity, drawing attention to key points and making your document more digestible to readers. Remember, practice this feature during your next project to master it and elevate your document management skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.